These two curbs look similar, but are designed for two very different jobs. So our engineered rubber curb is a manufactured curb made out of recycled rubber. It is 5 inches high by 6 inches wide, and they come in 3-foot long sections. These curbs are bendable, being made out of recycled rubber, so they're used for a lot of municipal traffic calming projects, such as roundabouts, where they would like to replace a 4-way stop or an intersection with a new roundabout at that intersection. They're also used for chicanes and bump outs and lane hardening projects. Now this is our engineered traffic curb. This curb's dimensions are 6 inches high by 6 inches wide, and they also come in 3-foot long sections. These curbs are made out of a recycled plastic material, so there's no give to this curb. It is solid. We designed this curb to replicate a concrete curb in municipal traffic calming applications. These curbs are used for lane hardening projects as well as chicanes where a more standardized height curb is needed to fulfill the project's needs. So these delineator curbs outperform concrete because they're easily replaceable, and if a section of these curbs ever gets damaged, you don't have to replace an entire concrete curb section. These are easily replaceable delineator curbs for your municipal traffic calming applications.